Wait, so you get double the ice cream. You get so many more modes. Yet, Ninja Creami Original, you get 6 modes. Whereas on the XL Deluxe 11-in-1, with just a touch of a button, you can ice cream, light ice cream, sorbet, gelato, frozen yogurt, cremacino, frozen drink, slushy, milkshake, and even Italian ice. There's even this mix-in option as well, so you can crush in your favorite candy bar, cookies, or candy. And it has the advanced Creamify technology, so no matter if your pint is low or full, it's gonna be able to mix it up every time to the perfect consistency. And just look at how much bigger they made the new pint. So with this one, you don't have to constantly make new batches. This thing could easily last a week. And I'm not making things up. Sales like these do not last long, so if you want to pick one up while you still can, I'll just leave a link down below before they sell out.
It's coupon though, so if you want one, I'd get it quickly.